Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna discuss an important topic. So guys, if you're living in Canada, and especially in Ontario, you must be seeing a lot of issues that are happening because of delays at landlord and tenant board. Okay, there are tenants, those who know the system and they know how to delay their eviction for months, if not for years. And at the same time, there are bad landlords too. Like, I mean to say, there are bad apples in every um, place. But because of these, things are not going good. Because what's happening is like we are already in middle of a housing crisis, right? So if yesterday I read something about a Brantford landlord who has now about $36,000 to chase after their tenant left after eviction, and they owe around $25,000 and 11,000 in repairs. Now, this is really not good because many people are going to read these stories, and this is not just an exceptional story. Such stories are full everywhere. If you go to open room and if you do some search and some research, you will find how bad is the situation. Okay, so one important thing is that's going to impact. That is like because of these bad apples, lot of potential landlords or someone who owns a home but has spare space that can be converted to a second unit and tenanted, they will not go after it. That will create trouble. So that means and there are so many people who are exiting this landlord business. Okay, like especially those who rent their basement or other portions of the house, they are coming out of the business. So this is not good. This is not good because if units get decreased, that means housing crisis is going worse. So and such delays at LTP do not help anyone. Whether it's good tenant or good landlord, it's not going to help anyone. Yeah, it's going to help bad guys if there are delays, because justice delayed is justice denied. And there are various other problems in this process. Like, it's not just about LTP board delayed. Even after LTP board delays, if you get an eviction order, you go to sheriff office, and there it's gonna take anytime between a few weeks to few months. So that means more time. And moreover, those who know the system, they know that how to file a review at the end of the eviction and postpone it for months again for the same process. So this is again not good. But even the worst part, I would say, is that once the order is received to collect the wages, collecting the wages is nightmare, because landlord and tenant board does not have authority to force wage collection. Somebody who gets it needs to go to small claim courts and then get an order, then find out whereabout of the tenants where they're living, serve them the paper. Such a process that many just give up. So I hope the government would take concrete steps to fix the process. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.